the world's cleanest public restroom. It features a fully automated design, including 2 toilets, and offers a unique cleaning mechanism. After each use, the floor undergoes a washing cycle and the toilet automatically rotates, hiding the used one and replacing it with a freshly cleaned one. This guarantees every user a spotless restroom experience. To test its efficiency, various types of trash were thrown directly onto the floor. Everything gets washed into collection slots in the corners, instantly cleaning the floor, and the trash is flushed into a garbage box at the back. This advanced facility is now officially in use in Europe. Users swipe their cards to enter, and the cost is calculated based on time, at £100 per hour. Where does the used toilet go? It moves to a hidden washing room at the back. A glass panel lowers to cover it, and the toilet is sprayed with cleaning solution from all angles, washed with high-pressure water jets, and dried with an air pump. This ensures that when the toilet rotates back, it is completely dry and spotless. How much would it cost you to use this restroom at this rate?